So today we are doing a new room called Takeover. This is a third room out of 30 that we are going to do in tryhackme, and this challenge revolves around subdomain enumeration. I have opened a website over here which gives you an idea about subdomain and how subdomain enumeration works. I have read it. I'll have a link for this in the description. You can read it too. Before we start, what is a subdomain? A subdomain is a part of a main domain used to organize or separate services. There exists a main domain, for example, we'll call it example.com, and it will have a subdomain called admin.example.com and api.example.com, etc. etc. Each subdomain has its own purpose and functionalities. Some subdomains should not be accessed to normal users and are meant for admins or internal systems. But in many cases, developers abandon subdomains, forget to secure them properly, which creates a security vulnerability. Attackers or pen testers use tools like FUF to discover hidden subdomains. This process is called subdomain enumeration. Their common weak points are old or unused subdomains which are still active, developer test environments like dev.example.com, admin panels, and API endpoints. These are common entry points for attackers. Now the question arises, why do we use subdomains then? Well, subdomains are used to organize, separate, and scale services under one main domain. Instead of putting everything in one site, developers split them, making it easier to code in organized structure. And each subdomain can run on their own individual server and can be programmed in different language. Like suppose an AI web application exists. Now the front end will be made with React, but the back end will use Node and Python, and the AI model will use Python. Three different languages inside a single website. This makes system scalable and easy to maintain. But let's go back to the challenge. So reading the description, we can tell we have the IP for this room, but the description is important to read. I am a CEO and one of the co-founder of futurebeta.thm. The description says that they are threatened by a black hat attackers. They can take over their website and they're asking for a big ransom. This room is asking us to help find them what they can take over. The link for the website is given below here, but it doesn't work. It doesn't open until I add it in my etc host. So we will start with nano etc host. We will add it IP address and https.thm https.t. And just for reassurance, just for safety, the description also says we used to help students with space question, but we are rebuilding our support. I will also add support in here in case it work. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna run an nmap scan over here on this. Okay, the scan is out. We can see that there are three ports open. First is port 22, which is an SSH. Second is HTTP, and third is HTTPS. Now this is about subdomain enumeration. Go in the website and I will just view the certificates. And you should be looking for an alternative subdomain name. It should be somewhere around here. Okay, for me, the only thing I see is futurebeta.thm. That is definitely an issue. So I think I try to do it in my terminal, but it constantly showed me some issues. I think I should try it now. So I also put the IP over here, as you can see, IP in the website name, and I will just open it in the browser. This is really weird. I cannot seem to find the alt name for this, which is really weird, because this shouldn't be happening. I should just be able to find it over here. But since it isn't, maybe I'm missing something, or maybe I'm going wrong somewhere, which I need to figure it out now. Maybe I need to directly use fuzz or GoBuster now, but I have been doing that. That's just not working as well, as you can see. I just really need to find the actual name of directory. Wait, I think I should reread this. Okay, so I did think of something over here. We were using post name. If we use this should give us some. Alright, so after struggling a lot, I did try it in the split screen. It still didn't work there. Now I had to just fuzz it out, and I had to just use the correct commands. Now we are getting relevant things that we should definitely add in our Sectra hosts. Right, support is over here already, and looking at the commands that's being showed, we should add blog, and support is there, so we should add blog. It blog dot tryhackme, and if we just open it over here with this and cat etc hosts blog over here, it should, whoa, this shouldn't be happening. I'll do this again. Blog dot, okay, it's giving me another one of these, and I'll view the certificates over here. I should now find the alt one, but I still don't. Okay, so there's nothing in blog as well. The other one is support. We should check support. I think I have uploaded support as well. Okay, it is there. I'm just gonna support. Okay, advance, and then we can certificate over here. Oh, we found it. Okay, so all we had to do was to find subdomain, which was quite tricky for no reason. As you can see, still going on. Just had to use the correct file over here, but we found the subdomain over here, and if we open it, secret should open in the browser, but I guess not. HTTPS. I forgot to put it in the file. If I do that, it should open. Cannot navigate there. Over here. Now if I just I should go in. We try HTTP. Okay, we got the flag. The flag is with us. This wasn't that hard. It was just a bit complicated because we had to like use subdomain enumeration, which is something different from what I usually do, but it is done. The best takeaway from this room was that it wasn't hard. It just required a proper enumeration, which we had to focus more on. Neither to look in the directories, but also looking in the subdomains. As I said, I have a document over here which explains subdomain. I will be sharing it with you in the description. It's important if you guys read it out. I'll also be going over it before I start my next room. And that's it for today.